Shawarma is a street food delicacy enjoyed by everyone. Today we're going to make it at home in our vegetarian version. We're making Paneer Shawarma. Let's see how to make it. We're going to start by making the dough. I have 1.5 cup of maida here, to which I'm adding 1 teaspoon of instant yeast, salt 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of powdered sugar, and now we're going to make a dough out of this using warm water. Instant yeast does not require blooming time or anything, so you can directly knead the dough with warm water. Add little water at a time and make a nice soft dough. Once the dough comes together, you can start kneading it on your surface. I find it easier to knead it on a flat surface. This may take 5 to 7 minutes of continuous kneading. Now it's time to add in a little bit of oil. I'm going to use 2 teaspoons in total, but I'm going to start incorporating 1 teaspoon at a time. Adding oil to your bread dough will make it nice and crumbly and very easy to eat. Time to add the second teaspoon of oil. You will notice that the dough starts getting stickier with the addition of oil, but you need to keep kneading it till it's nice, supple, soft once again. Once the skin is smooth, make a small ball out of it. Pinch it from the bottom. Place it in a bowl and cover it with a little bit of oil. And set it aside till it doubles in size. This should take about 45 minutes to 1 hour. While the dough is resting, let's make our garlic sauce. I have half a cup of hung curd over here by adding in a little bit of salt, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of crushed garlic, which is going to mix this together. And our garlic sauce is ready. Now we're going to prepare the paneer for grilling. So I have a block of paneer here. This is 200 grams of paneer, and we're going to prepare the marination for it right here. I have 2 tablespoons of normal soft curd along with the water that comes out of it. Half a teaspoon of crushed garlic, half a teaspoon of lemon juice, half teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. We're just going to mix this together till it forms a paste. Salt. Mix it well once again. I'm going to add half of the marination on one side of the paneer and spread it around, taking the excess to the sides, using the rest of the marinade on the other side. I'm using a grill pan to prepare our marinated paneer. First, I'm going to oil it so that our paneer gets those nice, beautiful marks. Once the pan is searing hot, add in the entire block of paneer, adding a few drops of oil on top before I flip it. Remove it and place it on a plate. Now let's have a look at our dough. It's been about an hour and it has doubled in size. I'm going to dust a little bit of flour on this, and instead of knocking it down, I'm going to let the gas release from the bottom. You will notice that the dough deflates on its own. I'm going to take it out onto my surface, and after adding a little bit of flour on the other side as well, I'm going to divide it into 2 portions. I'm trying not to work the dough at this moment so that it stays nice, soft and fluffy. Now I'm going to roll this into a round shape. The first pita bread is rolled properly. Now I'm going to take it off. Let's heat up our tawa on low to medium flame. It's been 5 minutes and the dough is noticeably softer now. We're going to start cooking this. You'll notice some bubbles coming up as soon as it hits the tawa. Let's flip it. The smell is so perfect right now. So I'm going to take it off into a plate. Let's assemble our paneer shawarma. We're going to slice up our paneer into thin strips. Let's start with a nice dollop of our garlic sauce, chili garlic sauce, a romaine lettuce leaf, and then I'm going to top this off with our grilled paneer with some beet pickle, a good helping of french fries. Place a butter paper on the bottom. To make sure it doesn't open, I'm going to take a toothpick and insert it in the bottom. Once you insert the toothpick, it is quite sturdy. You can even hold it in your hands while eating. Our super delicious street style Paneer Shawarma is ready to serve. Do give this recipe a try. This is Chef Bhumika signing off from Rajshri Food.